Hi, Eugenia here, and welcome to my PDF Dynamo product review. So, what is PDF Dynamo all about? PDF Dynamo is a piece of software that will allow you to create different PDFs, and you will be able to put your links inside these PDFs and the action buttons with your affiliate links, for example. And then you will be able to share these PDFs that you created with your subscribers, with the list that you have, or on multiple social media channels. So this is basically what PDF Dynamo is all about. If this is something you're interested in, please continue watching, and we will take a look at the demo of the product area, members area, and you will actually see how the product works and what you need to do to create these PDFs and how you share them with your subscribers. And also, if during this review at any time you decide that you want to purchase the product, please follow the link below the video and you will be able to purchase it from there. So before we actually go to the sales page for the product, let me show you the bonuses that you will be receiving from me if you decide to purchase the product using the link below the video. So there's going to be 4 bonuses. Bonus number 1 is going to be free traffic frenzy. This bonus is actually going to help you drive traffic to your PDFs that you created, and it's going to show you how to generate more traffic to the offers that you're promoting. Bonus number 2 is going to be get instant content for free. It's also actually a good hack explaining to you how to put more content actually in your PDFs to get them more traffic as well. And bonus number 3 is going to be online money making toolkit. This is just a little hack for you explaining how people are making money online. And bonus number 4 is going to be 10x commissions. This is actually for affiliate marketers. So this is just going to explain to you how to increase your commissions as well. So this is all 4 bonuses, and you're going to be receiving them from me if you decide to purchase the front-end version of the software or any upsells as well. So actually right now, let's go to the sales page. So this is how the sales page for the product looks. It says here, new one-click app blasts monetizes PDFs to 4 viral sites in 60 seconds that pull in $317 for hours over and over. So as you can see here, this is the sales video right here, and this is some benefits of the products. As I already said, you can create fully monetized PDFs in seconds. If you have some content, of course. If you don't have a content, you will need to come up with the content, and then you will be able to create these PDFs for yourself. And it works for all niches, as you can see here, and there is some other benefits here as well. You will be able to take a look at it at your own time. So this is also like just an explanation of the product. This is the commissions from affiliate, affiliate commissions that affiliate marketers were making. We cannot confirm that they've been coming really from this software, but nonetheless, affiliate marketers do make these commissions. Then you can see here 3 simple steps that you need to follow, and actually some just good information about the product that you will be able to read by yourself at your own time. So to access the sales page, and actually if you hover over a mouse here, you will get an actually $5 off the front end version of the software if you decide to purchase it. So to get to the sales page, click the link below this video. It's going to take you to my bonus page right here. And if you just click one of these pink buttons, it's going to take you to this sales page, and you will be able to study it at your own time. So right now, actually, let's go and watch the demonstration video of the product by the vendor, and he will explain to you how to use it and what it does. And then I will come back and talk to you a little bit more about the prices and upsells for this product.
Hey guys, it's your friend Luan here, and this is a quick demo video of PDF Dynamo. Okay, so PDF Dynamo is a powerful cloud app that allows you to create fully monetized PDFs that you can share around the web and start making money online. Okay, so as you know, PDFs is a popular form of content that people love to consume and they love to see PDFs and download the PDFs on the web, like from our niches and all that stuff. So PDFs, it's very powerful way to share content, and with this you will be able to create content like PDF content. You will be able to share this content around the web, and you will be able to monetize all those PDFs that you create. So all those PDFs that you share around the web are ready to make you money online. Okay, so very easy, very quickly. Here I'm gonna show you right now how to create a PDF. So first step is to click create button, and then here on create you can add your text, or you can upload text files. And if you try to upload text files, it will merge your text files into one PDF. So let me show you over here right now. Let's say I want to upload text files instead of writing the text myself, right? So I can just go to PDF title here, new PDF. Then I will select the text files. Okay, so this is one text file here. So let me put this here and put this other one here. So I want to merge those two text files into a PDF. Then I can upload the image to my PDF if I want. So let me just add this placeholder image here. And then I can monetize, okay, this PDF. I can add my links into it, like affiliate offers, my own services, whatever, okay? So I will be able to monetize this PDF that I'm just creating. So I enter the added title, so like click here to buy my new product. Call to action button text, so like buy now here. And then I added the button URL. Okay, so I will just add a Google like a placeholder, and then I can choose the position that I want the banner to be added. So like on top of the PDF, on bottom, or on both. So I will add on both here, and then all I need to do is click create. And okay, my PDF is created now. All I need to do is click download, and as you can see, it's downloaded the PDF file. Let me see how it looks like. So as you can see, it added my image here, my title. I have all the text here, my two text files that they added here. Okay, so it created full text here, full PDF text, and also it added my banners on here, like my ads on here, like click here to buy my new product. And if people click here, they will be redirected to the URL I choose it on the PDF Dynamo, right? So as you can see, it created a beautiful PDF here, and added my ads on the PDF. So this PDF is fully monetized, right? Now, after do that, I can share these PDFs around the web, like Facebook, SlideShare, Small PDF, and Scribd. Those are PDF directories. So people will download those PDFs, and every time people download my PDF, they will consume the content, and they will be able to click on my ads inside of those PDFs. So I'm ready to make money with those PDFs, okay? And you will be able to make money as well, okay? So the next form of creating a PDF, it's adding your own text. So then you can copy paste a text that you have, or an article that you saw in the internet, or whatever like that. So I added my PDF title, like new title, and then here I will edit my text. I will edit my text, right? So I can write this, or I can copy and paste if I have an article or something. So I just put, hey, my name is Juan, this is a sample text, check out my new product. I can add links inside of this text here as well. So check out my new product. Let me add this as link very quickly. So I will add a Google link here just to show you. Thanks for seeing my PDF. Then I can add the image if I want again, and then I can monetize adding my links to those PDF. Okay, so I will add the links here again, and then now I need to do is click create, and it created another fully monetized PDF. Then I can download this PDF. Okay, you can see my PDF here that I just created. My ad is on here, my title, my text, and it's all good. If people click on my links, they will be redirected to my page, and they will be able to buy my products, right? So then after downloading this PDF, you can share this PDF that you just downloaded all around the web to your clients, to your Facebook friends, through Facebook, through PDF directories, and you can start making money right away with those PDFs. Okay, so that's how PDF Dynamo works. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the software, and if you want to join us, I see you on the other side. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.
So hopefully you enjoyed the demonstration video of the product and you understood how it works and what it does, and it's actually really simple and easy to put some PDF together with your affiliate links, and it's actually really easy and simple to share it with your, on your social media platforms or different PDF directories as well. And right now, actually, let me go and take a look at the pricing and upsells for the product. As you can see, they're right here. So the front-end version of the product is going to be $12.95. And don't forget about this $5 discount that we saw on the sales page if you decide to purchase it. So this is going to be a one-time fee, and also the vendor is providing a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for some reason you decide that you don't like the software, you can always request your money back. And there's also going to be a 5 upsells, as you can see here. So upsell number 1 is going to be unlimited version of the software, because in the front-end version you're going to be limited to the number of PDFs you will be able to create there. I'm not entirely sure what the number is going to be, but you can purchase the front end and see if this is something you want to do, and then after some time when you start creating more and more PDFs, if you're going to be limited to some number, you will have to purchase the unlimited upsell. That's going to be $37 one-time fee as well. Then upsell number 1 is going to be an agency. It's going to be $37. As far as I understand, in this upsell, you will be able to provide these PDFs, to your clients from your business. Upsell number 3 is going to be done for you monetization. It's going to be $47. As far as I understand, in this upsell, the vendor is going to provide his affiliate offers, his products that you will be able to promote and make affiliate commissions from. Upsell number 4 is going to be reseller right. It's going to be $97. And upsell number 5 is going to be coaching. As far as I understand, it's going to be some coaching and training over there, additional training for you as well. And it's going to be $47. But of course, all of these upsells are optional. If you just decide to pick up the front-end version and see if you like it, you are more than welcome to do this. And please use the link below this video to do this. So this is actually it about this product, and in my opinion it's an interesting software. Of course you can go and do all of this in PDF editors, and it's of course doable, but then you will have to go and share it at different platforms. Of course it's all doable without the software, but in my opinion the advantage of having something like this, like the software, is actually it allows you to keep everything in one place. You create a PDF, then you immediately share it, and just keeps you focused. Also, one disadvantage is that to use the software you need to have some traffic sources already. So it's one thing to create a PDF, you also need to drive traffic to it. So you need to have like a list of subscribers on your social media or some other ways to drive traffic to the content that you're providing to people. Other than that, I think it's a great software, and I think you can go and try it and see if you like it for yourself. And this is the end of this review. Please, if you like the product, go and purchase it using the link below the video. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, it really helps my channel. Otherwise, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next review.